Hi everyone. So my question is, can we use the same mask while using the ventilator and IV setting and for using the BiPAP through the portable BiPAP machine? What's your answer? So the answer is no, we can't use. Why? Because the portable BiPAP face mask or nasal mask has a exhalation port, because it need to exhale out CO2 through that port. You will see there will be a vented mask, but the NIV mask, the one which we use while using the NIV through the mechanical ventilator, it hasn't got any exhalation port, because it has got a circuit. It has got dual circuit, in which one is the inhalation, through one air comes into the patients, and through another the exhaled air goes through the ventilator and CO2 get removed from there. So it has got the mask will be vented when it is BiPAP portable mask, and when we are using through the mechanical ventilator, it will be non-vented one. The circuit, one will have a single tube circuit, another will have a dual tube circuit. Even one, if you look, it looks like maybe looking like a single tube for ventilator one, but it has a dual one. Thank you.